Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Zapya on each device and granting storage permission so files are accessible. This prevents transfer errors. Next, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on so devices can discover each other quickly. On the sender, tap Send and pick the files you want, photos, videos, or folders, then confirm selection. Once done, Zapya creates a local hotspot or connects via the same network. The app shows nearby devices immediately, so you can move to the receiving step without delay. Now focus on pairing. On the sender, select Send and choose Files, while the receiver taps Receive. Zapya will either show a list or offer QR scanning to speed connection. If you need multiple recipients, use Create Group so everyone joins one session. That avoids repeated invites. Make sure the receiver accepts the incoming request, otherwise the transfer stalls. Once accepted, you'll see a progress bar and estimated time. Keep both apps active and screens unlocked to prevent OS sleep from interrupting. Finish by confirming the progress reaches 100% and open a couple of transferred files to verify integrity. That ensures everything moved correctly. If the transfer fails or stalls, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then reconnect. This resolves most local network issues. When discovery is unreliable, have the sender switch to hotspot mode or use the QR code pairing option for a direct link. Finally, clear Zapya cache or reinstall only if problems persist. That usually fixes persistent permission or corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.